How to set off WLAN hotspot maximum collection device, which is limit of connecting devices in your Redmi device. For that, you have to first of all open up your setting. Once you have opened up your setting here, you have to scroll down and tap on the connection and sharing. So once you have find the connection and sharing, here you have to find the hotspot. Just scroll down and find the hotspot here. So after finding the hotspot here, so if you don't find the hotspot, just go back and search for the hotspot here. Once you have find your hotspot, you have to tap on the Wi-Fi hotspot. Just go and search for the Wi-Fi hotspot here. Once you have find the hotspot here, you can configure several options like hotspot name, security type, and password, etc. So here you can see your connected device and you can tap on the limit of connected device here. So here you can see that you can easily select the number here. So this way you can easily set off your hotspot maximum connection limit. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.